How to get back deleted videos on TikTok. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. If you have accidentally deleted your videos on TikTok, then this might help you recovering your videos. For that, open up your TikTok app, get logged into your TikTok account, and tap onto your profile on your bottom right-hand side. As you do so, you will see your profile page. You tap on three-bar icon, then select Settings and Privacy. Once you do so, under Content and Display, tap on Activity Center, and then tap on Recently Deleted. As you do so, you can see that all these things I have recently deleted, I can see it right here. And it also shows a timer. I only have 22 days left since this video will be deleted permanently. So if you would like to recover it, tap onto the video, then tap on Restore. And just like so guys, this is how you can do the same as well. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.